So we have seen the prime factorization of 36 and 60. So let us write the prime factorization of 36 and 60. 36, how can we factorize 36? 36 without writing the factor tree. In the last section we have written the factor tree. So without writing the factor tree, we can factorize like this. That is 36, we have seen the prime factor, the first prime factor is 2. By 2 we can divide 36. 2 into which number is 36? We have seen 2 into 18. 2 into 18 is 36. Again 18 can be factorized by 2. Again 2 into 9, 2 9s are 2 into 9, 18. So 9 can be factorized 3 3s are 9. Then 1 time. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 36. See, we have seen the prime factors 2 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of 36. Now we have seen the 60 factors of 60. Let us do the prime factorization of 60. 60. So 60 can be divided by 2 because 60 is ones place digit is 0. A number is divisible by 2 if the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If any of this digit is there in ones place, then that means we can divide the number by 2. Here in ones place 0 is there, so we can divide this 60 by 2. So we can divide by 2. In 6, how many 2's are there? 3. 3 2's are 6. Now 0 you write down like this. Okay, 30. That is 30 2's are 60. Right? Now again we can divide it, since the first place there is 0, the ones place there is 0, again we can divide by 2. Divide by 2. In 3, how many 2's are there? 1 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Then after 2 there is 1 remaining. 1 is balanced. Then it becomes 10. In 10, how many 2's? 5 2's are 10. 5 2's are 10. 5 2's are 10. That means 15 2's are 30. 15 into 2 is 30. Now can you divide this 15 again by 2? Can you divide by 2? No, we cannot divide by 2. We can divide by 3. Because sum of the digits, 5 plus 1 we get 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. Then that 15 is divisible by 3. Okay, we can divide by 3. So 3, then 5. 3 5's are 15. Now divide by 5, we get 1. The prime factors of 60, the prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 3 into 5. Now see, in the prime factorization, we have only, see these numbers, factors 2, 2, 3, 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers only. The factors should be only prime numbers, right? See here in 60 you see the factors 2, 3 and 5. These are the factors only. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So in the prime factorization we get only prime numbers as factors. Okay, in the prime factorization of 60 and 36 or whatever number it may be, in the prime factorization there exist only prime factors, only prime numbers. There will not be any composite number. Okay, see the composite number, these are composite numbers. 36 and 60, these are composite numbers. They have so many factors. 36 has lot of factors and 60 also has lot of factors. We have seen that, isn't it? These are composite numbers, but its prime factorization consists only the prime numbers. Okay, in the prime factorization, which type of numbers will be there? Only prime numbers will be there. No composite number will be there in the prime factorization. Did you understand? So, if there is a question, which number is not included in the prime factorization of a number? In one number, suppose the number 80. Number 18. Which numbers are only? There in 18. 18 we can do the prime factorization. 18 can be divided by 2. Right? 18 can be divided by 2. How many 2's are there in 18? In 18, 9 2's are there. 9 2's are 18. Again we can divide this 9 by 3. 3, that is 3 3's are 9. Then again we can divide by 3, 1. Only which are the factors? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. 18 is a composite number. 18 is a composite number, but its factorization there is only prime numbers. So in the prime numbers we have to select only the prime numbers. We have to take only the prime numbers. There will be so many numbers. 18 can be divided by 9. So we can take 18, we can make it 9 as a factor. But in the prime factorization we will not take 9 because 9 is not a prime number. 9 is a composite number. So in the prime factorization only prime numbers are included. I hope it is clear to you. So in the prime factorization of a number we have to write only the prime factors and divide. Only we have to select the prime numbers. Here we have selected 2. Then again 3. Here we can select 10 also. 10 is a factor. But we will not write in the prime factorization. Right? Because 10 is a composite number. So that means in the prime factorization which numbers are not included? Composite numbers are not included in the factors. In the factors we are doing the prime factorization of a composite number. 36, 60, 18, all these are composite numbers. So from this we can understand every composite number can be written as the product of prime number. See, this is a composite number. 36 is a composite number, right? That 36 can be expressed as the product of primes. See, product of primes. 2 into 2 into 3 into 6. 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12, 12 3's are 36. Isn't it? So, in the prime factorization, we need only prime numbers as factors. No composite number should be there. Always remember that. And other point you have studied is every composite number, whatever composite number may be, we can write as the product of prime numbers. Factors will be the prime numbers. Right? Did you understand? I hope it is clear to you. So once again, the prime factorization, in the prime factorization of a number, there exist only prime numbers as factors. Okay? Then every composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. These points you should remember very carefully. Okay?